Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the eighth term of geometric sequence. The first one, we know that the third term of this one, that is about number 12. So we need to create about the third term in here. That is about a number 1 multiplied by r to the power of number 3 minus 1 because we have the formula in here. So a number 3 we have number 12, or we have number 2, and the next one, the fifth, that is about a to the power of number 5. So this one we have 48, a number 1, or to the power of number 4. So we put a number 5 divide by a number 3. So if we simplify number 4, r to the power of number 4 divided by r to the power of 2, you got about r to the power of number 2. A number 1 we cancel, and that means 48 divided by number 12. So we have number 4. So in this one we have r equals to number 2 and r equals to negative number 2 after we put the square root for the both sides. So on the question they want to find the eighth term. So let's say we have r number 2, r equals to number 2. We can find about a number 8 equals to a number 1 multiplied by r to the power of number 7. But we know that we have a number 1 r to the power of number 4. So in this one we can put like this. Because number 4 plus number 3 we have number 7. This one, that is about number 48, or that is about number 2. So we calculate this one and we got 384. And the second one we do the same. This one we have 48. This one we have negative number 2. So we have negative 384. So there are two solutions. This is the end. Thank you for watching.